Okay, let's dive right into this explainer. If you've been searching for a way to just streamline your monthly to-do list, well, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're figuring out how shifting your Kohl's bill payment online can instantly save you time and honestly, seriously boost your financial security. I mean, let's be real. Are you completely tired of hunting down stamps, mailing checks, or just standing around in line at the customer service desk to pay your bill? By mastering this super convenient digital skill, you take total control over your personal finance management. And the best part? You never even have to leave your couch to do it. We're going to break down exactly how to transition to a seamless digital payment method that puts you in the driver's seat. Here's our quick roadmap for today. 1. Why pay online? 2. Setting up your account. 3. Step-by-step payment guide. 4. Auto pay and mobile options. 5. Troubleshooting common issues. And finally, 6. Master your financial routine. All right, let's jump in. Section 1. Why pay online? We're talking security, accessibility, and speed. So, paying your Kohl's bill online unlocks a trio of really massive benefits. First up is speed. Check this out. If you submit your payment by 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, it posts that exact same day. Combine that with the accessibility of a digital portal that's open 24/7 from anywhere, and you literally have total control. And of course, Kohl's backs the whole thing up with advanced security measures, so your personal data stays completely locked down. And hey, speaking of security, let's talk about exactly how they protect you. You're going to frequently encounter something called an OTP, or a one-time passcode. Essentially, this is a unique verification code that gets sent directly to your email or your text messages. Kohl's uses these OTPs to authenticate your identity. So whether you're logging in, resetting a password, or whatever, this passcode basically builds a fortress around your data. It ensures that only you can get into your account. Pretty cool, right? Moving right along to Section 2, setting up your account, which is really your gateway to convenience. Now, whether you're on a desktop, a tablet, or using the Kohl's app, the setup process is practically identical. First, just navigate over to Kohls.com and hit Sign In. Next, click Create an Account and pop in your email address. Finally, you just authenticate your identity using that one-time passcode we just talked about. 3 simple steps. But just a quick heads up, always use a highly secure, unique password here so your financial data is completely protected from day one. All right, Section 3, step-by-step payment guide. Let's talk about actually executing your payment. So to manage the credit card specifically, they're going to log in securely at a dedicated portal, which is kohls.capitalone.com. Once you're sitting on your dashboard, just locate and click the Pay My Bill option. From there, you'll select your repayment amount. And you've got total flexibility here. Whether you want to clear out the whole statement balance, make a custom payment to just keep things moving along, or simply pay the minimum amount due. It's totally up to you. Next up, choose your payment date. You can process it immediately to get that same-day execution, or you can actually schedule it for a future date. Then you just need to input your funding source. Now listen closely because this is super important. You need the specific 9-digit routing number and the account number from a US-based checking or savings account. You absolutely cannot just type in a debit card number here. It has to be your actual bank details. Finally, give the summary screen a quick review to make sure it all looks perfect and hit Submit. Section 4, Auto pay and mobile options. Let's see about leveling up your routine. Okay, let's see how these advanced tools can build some true financial peace of mind. Right through the online portal, you can set up auto pay for completely worry-free scheduling. Get this, you even have the control to pick your own monthly due date so it lines up perfectly with your paychecks. And for those of us who love managing life straight from our smartphones, definitely use the Capital One mobile app. It gives you direct access to your transaction ledger, lets you review monthly statements, and you can set up payment alerts so you literally never miss a due date again. Now, I want to clear up a major source of confusion really quickly because there are actually 2 different mobile tools at play here. The Capital One mobile app, that's your digital billing hub. That is the one you use to pay your credit card balance via your bank account. On the flip side, Kohl's Pay is just a feature tucked inside the standard Kohl's shopping app. Kohl's Pay is strictly an in-store tool used at the register for touch-free checkout and applying rewards. It is absolutely not a bill payment system. Understanding that distinction is key. Up next, Section 5, Troubleshooting Common Issues. Let's overcome some obstacles. So here are some really quick fixes for the most common little hiccups you might run into. If you ever get locked out during login, do not panic. Just check your caps lock, all right? Both your email address and your password are case sensitive, so they demand an exact match. Also, if you're trying to schedule a payment super far in advance, just note the system only allows scheduling up to a maximum of 180 days out.
And finally, if you are paying on your actual due date, always double check that 7 p.m. Central Standard Time cutoff. Miss that window and the payment won't post until the next day, which could definitely lead to late fees, and nobody wants that.
And finally, Section 6, Master Your Financial Routine. Let's talk about the reward.
By just taking a few minutes to set up your online account today, you have permanently upgraded your financial tool belt and basically reclaimed your valuable time. Just picture this newly empowered routine. Faster, more secure payments, total control over your due dates, and absolute zero late fees thanks to AutoPay. You've completely streamlined your personal finance management. So I want to leave you with a question to chew on. How much time will you save this year just by eliminating the checkbook and the post office from your Kohl's routine? I really hope this sparks your curiosity to see what other daily routines in your life could be totally optimized by going digital. It's all about making your technology work for you, not the other way around. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. It's been an absolute blast walking you through this. Just remember to always use secure networks and safeguard those passwords to protect your financial data online. Please keep your personal information secure, and keep in mind that this explainer does not constitute personal financial advice. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.